Easter's coming up, friends, and we've got a lot of stuff happening here that you can get involved in. On Saturday, April the 3rd, we are going to be having our very own Excel Easter quiz hosted by yours truly on Zoom. So make sure that you join us for that, for some fun, some quizzes, some questions, and all things Easter. It's going to be really fun. It will just be a nice time where we can get together. So why not join us from that? It will be from 6 p.m. onwards. So that will be on Zoom. So you can just contact us for the details or sign up on Church Suite.
To lift me up again. Salvation lies in you alone. Jesus is the only one who overcame. You are the only.
You can now join us for 2 services at Excel Church where you can actually come to the building for the service. So we have got these happening on Sunday mornings at 11 a.m. where you can come and be a watch party audience for our live stream service. If you're unable to attend, don't worry, you can just get us online at 11 a.m. instead. But if you'd like to actually join us in the building as part of the watch party audience, then you can just sign up online as spaces are limited in advance. And you can also join us at 6 p.m. on an evening for our evening service, which is a physical one. So if you would like to join us for that, then simply book online on Church Suite or on our website. See you there, guys.
And even when I fall, your love is there to lift me up again. Salvation lies in you alone. Jesus is the only.
Easter is coming up pretty soon, guys, and we have got an Easter appeal happening here at Excel Church for our food bank. So we're in need of some Easter eggs, so if you could get some and donate them here to the church, that would be amazing. We would love to be able to send some Easter eggs to families over the Easter period. So if you'd like to donate them, you can drop them here at church anytime. So please, guys, get thinking and please help us with this Easter appeal.
We believe, we believe, we believe that you died once and for all to show the world your love. We believe, we believe, we believe that you died once and for all to show.
Our next leadership development night is happening on Wednesday the 31st of March, and we're going to have guest speaker Lance Blackwood coming to speak for that evening. So if you'd like to sign up online, then you can sign up via Church Suite or our website.
The world your love, to show the world your love. Salvation lies in you alone. Jesus is the only one who.
On April the 2nd, it will be Good Friday, and we are hosting a short communion service on that evening at 7 p.m. and you can either join us here in the building or you can just watch online at excelchurch.online.church. So guys, make sure you join us for that. So guys, that's all for Excel News. Have a great week.